and it's important to get it just scraping underneath the surface of the skin. And we find that if you're in the process of actually injecting the PRP, you will get much better results. A lot of people come to me and say, I've had PRP before, it didn't work, don't believe in it, whatever. Often you'll find it's in a place where they perhaps just took the plasma and drizzled it on the skin and then microneedled it in. They won't get perhaps as good a result as if the process of actually using an injection technique throughout the skin. It's a fairly traumatic process, so I tell my patients that it's a good idea just to perhaps prep their skin with their vitamin C and their retin-A and other products first before they undertake PRP, because it'll go in much better. And obviously people with very sun-damaged skin, it can be a bit traumatic, so it's not for the faint-hearted, but most people, once they've had it done, they really see the benefits and they will continue to return for further treatment. What else is there to say about it? The lip area can also be treated with platelet-rich plasma. So if someone's a bit concerned about using lip filler, you can actually inject the platelets directly into the lip. And like we have talked about before, the peri-orbital area is very important for PRP, and people notice that those results are extremely obvious. So with a person with acne scarring, we'd normally recommend that they get that platelet-rich plasma treatment repeated after 2 months for the best results. But some of our patients find that even after a couple of weeks of treatment, they already feel their skin feels younger and more youthful. So even though we tell everyone that it's usually about 2 months to see the full benefits, people are already speaking highly of it after about 2 weeks. After the platelets get injected, we then use the derma pen to needle it into the skin, and that creates a very uniform distribution of the plasma. So you not only get the benefits of the plasma being activated, all those growth factors are released, the skin starts to improve in collagen, and then the microneedling technique we get with the derma pen just distributes it through and also enhances the collagen quality.